small laundry room makeover. By taking your detergent out of its containers and putting it into a small decorative piece, it does help just to organize and to make the laundry room look a lot nicer. In this container here, I'm just keeping my scent boosters in there. It's easy to get to, and it just makes a lot nicer of a look compared to what it did come in. And I have those bins in 3 sizes, and instead of stacking them by each other, I placed them in different areas just to give a little bit of more of a cohesive look without all being the same. I took 2 bottles, and one I just put bleach, and in this other one I've put vinegar. I need to label the vinegar one. I took my fabric softener fabric sheets out of their box and put them just in this glass decorative case here and just placed it on top of the dryer. This wall rack here I put to the corner just to carry and hold some of my extra supplies. Often this is where I keep my Gain scent boosters, and I do have it labeled with Downy Unstoppables, but I've stopped using them. Here's where I keep my shout. I have the 2 sizes and then the larger one in the back. Down below is all my extra Mars product and method. And on the bottom is where I keep my Clorox and scrubbing bubbles and things like that. Those little clips are just for me to hang extra things for the cleaning. That's where I keep my paper towels. I have 4 of these baskets across the top, and it's just for my extra supplies to keep them out the way and to keep the room looking more nice and organized. So, and my laundry basket is at the top. If you have any ideas or anything about where I can place that laundry basket, take and comment at the bottom. Leave something at the bottom, but I haven't been able to find anything. These little bins here, I keep my things that I find in the laundry or in the washing machine, loose change, buttons, pins, Clorox, things like that. Over here is my stain removal guide. That's where I got the idea with the vinegar. And vinegar actually removes a lot of stuff. And when I swing to the side, that door is going out to my garage. Here's where I keep my iron and my ironing board, and also my starch spray bottle, which is not there. There's where I keep my hangers for clothes to dry. This is where I keep my broom, my dustpan, my duster, my dust mop. I do need to clean that dustpan. This little small storage, little small cabinet is where I keep all my extra. Here's where I keep my Oxy. And the bins, 2 of them do come with the scoopers for measuring, and then the smallest one, it doesn't. Down below is where I'm keeping my extra Gain fabric softener, those 2 bottles. And I'm taking them out of the bin because it's dark in there. The lighting is not so good, so that's one reason why I'm pulling them out. This here is just my extra fabric Gain detergent. There we go, Gain detergent. My extra box of OxyClean. I do buy it in the box because it's easier, it's more economical, and more comes with it. And my laundry sanitizer, Lysol for my dark clothes, and my regular Clorox for my whites. On the bottom is where I keep my tissue and paper towels. On that back wall, also in that corner over there, is where I keep my carpet cleaner and my regular vacuum. And then I got my grandson's swim stuff off over there in the backpack as well. So this is a very small space. It's very narrow, but I'm making do with all the things that I use and the extras that I buy. I am starting to coupon now, and so I am starting to stock up on a lot of things, so I'm trying to find space for it. Eventually I'm just going to put some cabinets over the top and take that little cabinet there down.